Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope your week is off to a great start and that you have a good, wonderful week ahead. Looking at our weather statistics for Sunday, the high temperature was 44 degrees. It was a chilly day. That occurred at 3:15. The overnight low was 29 at 11:59 p.m. No precipitation fell. The highest wind gust was only 11 miles per hour from the north. And the record high for today is 69, set back in 2013, and the record low is 16, set back in 1991. Looking at our 5-day forecast, it gonna rain. That's all we need to know, folks. It's just gonna rain. We've got rain coming in by this afternoon and evening. I think this morning is looking all right. There'll be a couple of showers out there, that is for sure. But the main event starts in this afternoon and evening, goes through the night, and then we have just elevated rain chances all the way through the period until we get to Friday night. Now, it's not going to rain all the time every day. As we get closer to each day, we'll be able to fine tune, the time of day when the rain is most likely, whether it be the morning or the evening or night. So just stay tuned for updates on that. The good news is that while we could hear rumbles of thunder, severe weather is at this point not expected this week. I'm just expecting some beneficial rainfall to really help bust this drought. And this is the rainfall totals expected for the next 7 days. Notice there's been a bit of a northern migration with the forecast rain totals. That is something that I'm paying attention to. It doesn't look like we're going to get, the higher rainfall amounts that some of the models had been suggesting. I've been saying, that we could always count on 2 to 3 inches of rain out of this event. Some people are liable to get more, and I'm sticking with that. I think we're all looking at 2 to 3 inches of rain when this is all said and done by the end of this week. But some places may have 4 or 5 inches. So it just depends. And if you get closer to the Kentucky border, your rainfall totals may be on that higher end. But a good 2 to 3 inch rainfall, I think at this point, is expected across our region. On this day in 1977, baseball-sized hail was reported in Putnam County with some severe thunderstorms. So my goodness, that was an active weather day. And then in 1886, a snowstorm struck the U.S. on this date. 11 inches of snow in Montgomery, Alabama, 18.5 at Rome, Georgia, and look at that, 22.5 inches in Knoxville, Tennessee. So I couldn't find what Crossville received out of that, but because that's 1886 is going back there. But I'm sure we had a good snow on. If Knoxville had 22 inches, I'm sure we got in on some of that action as well. Well, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up. For even more weather information, check out that blog, meteorologistsmart.com.